Alright, many months have passed since I uploaded a version of this motor. This is what I ended up with. It wasn't as good as I thought. The geometry I thought was going to be an improvement, but it was not. The magnet arrangement with north on one side, south on the other, thought that was going to be a good idea, arranging it that way, and it was not. I couldn't find the decently sized connectors for this thing. Maybe it was just unobtainium, but I couldn't find the proper ribbon cable connectors for these windings. These conductors I've connected as a coil, so I have to offset it by one. That's why I have this peculiar arrangement of wires at the end to offset the turns, so that way it's a coil. That didn't work out as well as I thought. Here, this is the remnants of this commutator. Here's a switch that I've yet to move to this one over here. Now this is kind of like a resurrection of my old motor. Here I have the switch, and there's my meter going from 0 to 500 milliamps, and I have this many batteries. This is just a preview video, so later on I'll have this thing here connected along with this to this motor. This is a basket, as you can see, a heavy-duty basket I got from the Container Store. And there's my coils. As you can see, I put a lot more coils towards the side. And if you can look closely, it's kind of hard to see, but there's 2 layers up there and 2 layers symmetrically on the bottom, but that's hard to see. I'll show some of the pictures for now, and later on I'll have a larger slideshow showing the past year and a half almost of these designs from this actually, but later on, I'll show a slideshow of this coil as well in its previous incarnations. Now here's my commutator. As you can see, I have 4 contacts, and some of the pictures to the top right shows you different viewing angles of better views of this commutator. Alright, so now it's time to activate it. Alright. Okay. And this is without any fan connected. In future videos I will show that. This is the amount of current I'm drawing. So a really tiny amount of current, less than 10 milliamps on average. I will connect this thing across this battery pack to measure the voltage. So now disconnect this. Oh, before I do that, I'll show you it running. As you can see, there's my rubber bands and all that stuff. So that way, with the straws, connections, connecting all the way around to here, to both ends of this battery pack, and the other 2 wires down there and down there connect to opposite ends of the coil. As you can see, I have my ribbon cable connectors there. I tried to look for the equivalent for this type of thing, but I could not find it. So let's go ahead and really connect the voltage now. Okay. this one out. Stretch it over. Okay. Okay, gotta remember it's the one. Just keep that one there. Okay. Nice. Sorry for the delay. Here is the voltage, 301 volts, or 302. Alright. That's all for now.